Hey guys, welcome to Appalachian Passion. I'm Davin. Today I'm fishing Spring Creek here in Pennsylvania. So this is actually my second day of being here. The first day I was with friend Dewey, who's the other member of this channel. We didn't record an intro for that, but I'm gonna be combining the two videos together as this stream is notoriously very difficult to fish, and we only got a couple trout here and there. But yeah, so enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. What's up? What? Do you see it still? I need to fix my. Is that my dry dropper rod back here? Should I toss the jig streamer at him?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it roughly? If I go right, so if I step in right here, where is it?
I'm gonna stand behind this and you can go to my left and then I'll back out. But
where roughly should I stand?
if you stand, see where I was standing?
Oh yeah.
There was
straight
a
up.
little fish here.
He
like, see this weed bed right here?
Yeah, he's on the back end.
Yeah. I want you to see it.
Here, let me quick creep in here behind you. Don't, yeah, try not to make too much move in here. Where, okay.
He's in that opening right there.
In that opening.
He's sitting right in the middle of it.
I don't know, I can't quite see anything in there, but.
Oh shit. There's spring water on there.
I don't see him.
He's right under where you're.
Oh, holy shit, I fucking. Oh, he swam. He's spooked now, I think.
You saw him?
Holy shit, I saw him. He swam up right into this thick stuff top here. Holy fuck, that was a big ass fish. I think he's spooked. I mean, here.
I think I still see one in there.
He slowly slid up into the top in here.
I can't tell if that's him or not.
Let me see if I can see if he'll come up out of the weeds for it. And get down in there a little more. I saw him slide up into the weeds.
Very big. He was sitting in the middle of that. He's definitely feeding on something.
Oh wait. Hey look, there's a tail right there where the weeds stick out.
Yeah.
There's a nice brown sitting right there. Not giant, but still pretty nice. Oh, it's a rainbow. Big rainbow. Look at it.
Oh yeah, damn.
I don't know if it's.
Oh.
Hey, looked at it.
It definitely looked at it.
I might just dead drift this, honestly. It's eating. That's a rainbow. I'm surprised. I think there's rainbows in here.
Wild, you think?
Probably. I don't think there's any. They don't stock it anywhere, I don't think. Oh, if I'd hook it, I could see maybe. That spooked it more than anything, I think. Holy shit, massive brown up ahead of us. Holy shit, Dewey. Come, if you want to creep up to me. Straight up ahead, see where my rod tip is pointing? Look at that fish sitting there. It looks like weeds.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna get this rod out. You wanna get yours out here? There's... Will it eat? More than likely not. Come on, get out there. Come on. There we go. Oh, there's another one up ahead of it.
Oh my god, I thought he was a little smaller than that. Just the angle I had. Oh! Oh!
Oh! Holy fuck!
Oh my god, I thought he was a little smaller than that. Just the angle I had. Oh, oh,
Oh, holy fuck.
oh my God, you have that on video, right?
Yeah. Holy fuck, there's no fucking shot. Holy shit.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Holy shit.
You want me your rod or my rod? Or
Here.
net?
Holy fucking shit. That's a 20-inch trout right there. Holy shit.
I was like, oh my God, he's coming after it.
It's in there. There's a decent chance it's gonna pop off in there because it's hard to keep tension.
Oh my God.
That eat alone.
That was worth it. That was so worth it. I like how we both ran out of breath.
Holy shit.
You want to get in there?
I'm gonna get in there.
You want to get in there?
I'm gonna get in there.
I'm gonna get in there too. I'm gonna drop my.
It's gonna be muddy, but I don't care.
You still have them.
For now, I feel like it. Stay back just in case it pops out and runs downstream.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Me walking here might scare it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can. No clue. I'm so deep in here, I can't fucking tell. Holy shit. Oh, I still have them.
No way.
I think I still have them in here. I can't.
Come up, stay down.
I don't know.
Back up to your rod's not as bad.
I'm trying to see if I can get the weeds. No clue if I still have them all.
That was crazy.
I don't know, that was still a sick eat.
Oh, this is worth getting wet up to your nuts for.
Holy shit.
That was crazy. I wonder if you could. I doubt you could see that on the GoPro.
It snapped.
Oh, I bet you popped you off.
No, it broke.
Or that's what I meant, like broke off.
Yeah. Holy fucking shit.
He came
That was
out
a
for that thing too.
He wanted that. God damn. That was a fucking sick eat. Oh, holy shit.
Oh my God, that's a rainbow.
I turned the camera on just in time. That's a fucking giant rainbow.
You want to get in there? Too late.
Yeah. What the hell?
Oh.
I don't want to. I mean,
That's muddy as fuck.
Size, but
You still have them?
I need to. Yeah, I still have them. I need to walk out more to get my line up out of this stuff. Dude,
That's a big fish.
Shoot, my line all tangled in the weeds. This is some mud. Here.
I can't tell if that's a big fish.
Like steelhead.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is a massive hole.
Yeah, there's no way we didn't spook everything in here.
I mean, this fish alone probably spooked them all. You mean below you?
I don't know. I didn't think they stocked anywhere on the stream, but
That's two big rainbows, and his dorsal kind of looks a little
yeah,
ugly.
his dorsal looks pretty fucked up. It's pretty colors though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's.
I have 5X tippet, so at least it's not. Oh, if I could just bring him a little closer. I don't know how good I didn't hook him real well. He might pop off here. Oh, here.
Ugh. Bring him this way. Oh my God. That is a chunk.
Oh, his hook popped out. Hook popped out. Holy shit. God damn.
Oh my God.
That's a pellet pig, but holy. I
That's-
think there's. I assume that can't be wild. I mean, that thing's been in here for a while though. Look at the curves on this thing. God damn. My net is way too small for this. Holy. All right, let me get. I'm gonna tape on this fish.
I'm gonna guess I don't know. That's a heavy fish though.
Here, can you?
This is your
freaking jig streamer. Yeah, just reel it down.
oh.
Let me get true length from here all the way.
Flatten them out a little bit. Yeah, you're at an inch, a little less than an. You're at add a half an inch to whatever.
I'm at
or
21 right there. I just want to make sure this guy's strong enough to swim away. All right, do you want to get it here?
Yeah. Oh. I'm good.
Look at that thing. That's just.
Oh, that was crazy.
No way. That thing.
It's anywhere close to reproduced in here, but
no, but it's been in there for a while. I sent a picture to my dad. That is 21.
I was gonna say.
Okay, I hate that it wasn't brown.
Yeah. Yeah, I just look up. I hear, oh my God, I look up. I'm like, that's a rainbow.
Oh yeah. Huh. Up at this bend here, it's super deep. So you can just get almost straight in here. I'm not sure if you can get like right in here. Oh yeah, no, that's a good drift. Oh, nice little guy. Whenever he comes up, I'll just quick scoop him up. There you go. Oh, that's actually a pretty fish. Hey.
Oh yeah, it is. Pretty little guy.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. There had to be. I knew there had to be something that riffles there.
You stop for like half a second, you'll be 3 and 2. And that's how it works.
It's almost like there's a hook in their mouth. That's why they're spazzing out so much. That's a nice little guy. You get it out?
Yeah, I want to hold it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Or down here. Yeah. Yeah.
That's a big spot, big key spot.
Yeah. That's actually a prettier one I've caught. The ones I've caught down here have been a lot like paler, and that's a prettier one. That looked like your standard like brown, like nothing.
Like when you think of brown.
I think these little guys could probably actually eat this ant pattern, this ant beetle thing versus yours. Probably a little too much. I assume there's could be something else in here.
Oh.
No. Yeah. There you go. I get him. Nice little guy. Actually decent. Here. Not a pretty guy. Oh, hook popped out. All right. Yeah. That's a nice little guy. Pretty little brown. Figured there had to be another one in there.
Yeah, I mean, it looks too good now.
Yeah. Granted, not the 20-inch brown that I hooked, but
that's kind of crazy though, how it has like so relatively little elevation change,
and then it's
and then all of a sudden it's just waterfall.
There you go. Nice little guy. Oh shit. Come on, buddy. There you go. Shit. Got my hands full. Nice little brown. Pretty little guy. So, ready? You can drop. Oh fuck, hang on, let me go roll it. Oh, you fucker.
What?
I spooked him. I had a perfect drift, but it just as it hit, it kind of swam up. That was a 20-inch brown. Oh, man. Oh wait, he came back down. He came back down. He came back down. Dewey. Okay. You watch where I cast. Oh, Dewey. He had it. He had it. He had it.
Oh my god, that thing's like mid-20.
No, it's probably 20. I might have had him. Oh wait. Okay.
He wasn't swimming away like he had him, but
Watch my rod right in front. Jake's. You're gonna step. Yeah, you see it. Let me see if I can get. Let me get my line. Yeah, that's a deep. Oh, there's a. Holy shit, dude, right in front of us.
oh my god, is that a rainbow?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, there's a nice brown swimming around. That is a rainbow.
You think?
Yeah.
Where did the big brown go on the other side there?
Sure.
I'm just How does this guy not?
How did you know?
Oh, I see the other one. I think on the other side there. That's a giant trout. Is that? You sure it's rainbow?
I think it is. If it's a brown, it's a big. I think I can see a stripe on it.
Oh, that guy's interested.
It looks like. Yeah.
Oh, the big one moved back into its spot up top there. I'm gonna just. I might bounce this. I'm gonna nail this guy on the head with the jig streamer and see what it does.
I'd almost like put it on the weeds and then pop it twice in front of him.
Here. I can tighten my line up a little bit. If I hook this fish, this would be insane. I don't understand how it's not spooked right now.
Sometimes they just don't care.
Oh, it does not like that.
I think it's a rainbow.
I
think it is.
I can't tell. Oh, okay, that one's the brown. That's finally, there you go. Nice little brown. See a pretty little brown. Look at that little guy. Nice little fish. Fairly pale colors. That kind of seems to be the norm for the lower part of this stream. Nicer fish. Nice little fish. Nice little trout. I got excited there to begin with because I had just. Oh, there's a big brown checking it out. That's a big brown right there. There's a big brown in there that was slowly following this guy in. This nice little guy. Might have spooked it though, unfortunately. Let's see here. Nice trout. Yeah, that's a nice trout. Nice little guy. Pretty little brown. I don't like being quite this close to this area. There you go.